Ito ang explanation for the experimentation. Kaya maging mapanuri, mapagmatsyag, mapang-ahas, matanglaw. Ako po si Baby Million. Aha! Ito ang I Believe! Ang tawag na ipapakita natin sa inyong experiment ngayon ay cola na fountain. Yay! Ito ang mga gagamitin natin para sa experiment natin. Siyempre, cola. Siguraduhin hindi ito nakalogo na shake kasi maapektuhan yung pagiging successful na experiment nyo. Sunod, Mentos. Yun. Ingat na lang sa pagbukas ng takip ng cola mamaya. The phenomenon is not a chemical but a physical reaction. Carbonated drinks are pressurized with a gas, carbon dioxide. Under pressure, a very large amount of carbon dioxide can dissolve in the water. You can feel the pressure because the bottle is near to the touch. When you open the cap, the pressure is released and the gas begins to leave the solution. You immediately see a few bubbles form in the bottle, zipping upwards towards the surface. This process is called nucleation. Yes.
Daryo, ito ang bodero ng Diyos. Kaya nagkakaroon na mga kasalanan ng kaibigan, para tayo masinagawa sa kanyang banal.
Toto ko sa'yo.